Hello, this is me and Betty. We had an idea of something that you might fancy doing with some of your old paintings, pictures, some of your old work, something that you have maybe done a while ago, fed
I
up
did this
of.
3 years ago.
There you go. Betty's got something that's very old and she's happy to cut it up because that's what we're going to ask you to do. We're going to give some kind of weaving a go, and we thought maybe we could use up our old paintings. So here we go, Betty. First of all, what we're going to do. What we're going to do, Bets?
I'm going to cut slits.
Okay, so she's taking a piece of cardboard. We're using black. I figured you could probably use anything that's just a little bit solid. But you know what? Try it with paper. See what happens with something really thin. So she's trying to keep her slits the same length. Is that about right, Betty?
Yep.
And each piece she's cutting, she's trying to keep it sort of the same width. Yeah. Oh, and she's leaving a line across the top. She's not going. Exactly. She's not going all the way.
And this one has literally left no space, so I'm going to chop it off.
You ready for this, Bets?
Yes.
Why don't you cut a big slice, a strip, at the end there? Maybe that can be the first bit that you use. There you are. Give me that one. How does it work?
And for the first one, I'm going to take my piece in my right hand, and I'm going to go over the first strip. Bit like a game of peekaboo. Okay.
So you go in
under,
over and under. All the way along.
Peekaboo.
Over and under. I like this little peekaboo.
Oh dear.
If you try to do it flat on the table, does it help you to do it flat down?
Peekaboo. There we go.
Smashing. Why don't you turn it over? And then if you pull either end, you'll be able to perhaps push it up as far as you want it to go. Now, how about using a piece of tape?
There it is.
Might that help? Here we go. I might just put this here.
And
Give us a look.
On top.
I didn't cut you a very long piece of tape. Sorry about that.
It's okay. And I'm going to chop off.
I'm going to cut that off.
A little bit of that.
So what do you think? What are you going to go with next? Are you going to use some more of this, or are you going to use one of these?
I'm going to use one of these, I think.
Lovely. So now the rule is, if you started over, this next time, you must start under.
Can I tell you the way that I like to neaten up the edges if I don't really want them there but have a really sharp finish? I fold them over.
Oh, isn't that a good idea? Ah, smashing. And do you want a piece of tape for that as well?
Yeah.
Great stuff. There you go. Don't worry about what it looks like on the back. I mean, to be honest, sometimes the back ends up looking just as artistic or interesting as the front. You decide which piece you want to hang on your wall, the front or the back. It's your artwork. You are the artist. Smashing. Well done, Betty. Let's have a look.
I'll pop this bit of tape.
Bit of trimming. Look at that. The black's really framed it nicely, hasn't it? Let's have a squeeze. Smashing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.